going on, guys? It's Mothupi. We're back again on my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be speaking about how you can catch those sniper entries, because today we actually caught two beautiful sniper entries, and I got this topic. The inspiration is my younger brother. He was asking me, how are you able to catch sniper entries, because he noticed on some of the trees that I was able to catch it whereby, like, it's hard to catch, you understand? So I was like, you know what, let me make a YouTube video about this, explaining everything to you. And luckily, we're going to be looking at the markets. Hopefully, you'll also be able to see some of the future movements that I'm seeing, and we can speak about, how much we're able to close today, which is 16K. We can show you guys how we're able to close that. And yeah, I think this is going to be a wonderful day. But for now, I just want to go out there, guys, and get bread, just have a quick meal just before, we can start speaking about this awesome topic, which is how to get that sniper killer entry. We just landed here at the garage. Safe? Yeah, safe. Safe, yeah. So we want at least, we're able to get, refill the gas, because now, it's been too hot, and each and every time when it's this hot, the gas gets, it goes up too quick, you understand? So we had to just refill it, and then we had to get just a piece of recipe. Sure. We had to get just breadinyana, just so we're able to, keep the fuel going in. So we can keep the fuel going, but yeah, let's just head back home and then see what we can do, see those shots, see those sniper entries, guys. Like I did. How are you? It's been a while. Wisely, man. Use it wisely.
Bye. Bye. Post it on YouTube, please, man.
Yeah, don't worry.
Peace.
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 So guys, we just got back now. We are gonna get to what we started this video for, which is getting into you being able to see how we catch sniper entries. Not only that, but also how you can capitalize on these sniper entries, guys, because once you get this down, then you'll be able to just move forward with this knowledge. So let us get to it. So the first one that I'm going to show you guys is this GBP JPY trades that we actually caught, I think it was on Thursday or something, né? We caught it on Thursday. So I want us to go back to how we're able to catch this beautiful trade, né? So the most important thing here is just understanding on how sniper entries are being caught, né? Okay, so you can simply see we had obviously this one here, and secondly this one here. So after once price started to show us some sort of let's say now you can simply see here at our area, at our top side area resistance, we already had targets of prices coming up here, né? And then price obviously went up, rejected here, went down. But one thing that I like is that it failed to have broken below these areas here. You can simply see here we've got lower low, lower high, and a lower low. So it couldn't break lower low. It actually even tested on these lower lows, and then it went out and broke on the lower high. You understand? I mean the higher high. It broke here at the higher high, which is exactly here. So now what you do here is that normally what I do is that I would look for better entries on a smaller time frame. So I saw on the 1 hour it has confirmed with the breakout and stuff. So I'll go back on my smaller time frames and then I'll look for that beautiful lower entry time frame. Entry, I mean. So here you can simply see price went up and then it went down. So as soon as I saw price giving us this beautiful retest on this area, I was like, you know what, I don't want it to just give me wicks and stuff. I wanted to confirm with me via candlesticks, you understand? So candlesticks are one thing that you actually look for when you are trying to confirm with a movement of a price. When you want to enter, you can't enter a buy, then the next candlesticks are still going against you and you're holding. It doesn't happen. When you enter a buy, it shouldn't even take more than a few minutes to be in profits. If not, then you need to adjust some of the trees that you need to adjust the position. So as soon as I saw this beautiful candlestick, boom, we went in, and the price went a bit more to the upside with us. You can see we ate on this one here. So now let us speak about today's trade, which is US30. So I don't waste enough time. I also want to get to speak about what we can do moving forward. There we go, right here. So this one, I like the fact that, let's say, let me not waste too much time, but just show you guys from the bigger time frame. Obviously weekly, you can simply see price has been pushing all the way to the upside. Price has been pushing up, and now we are literally here at the resistance areas. And price gave us the previous week it closed with the rejection. So the next week I think we are going to break around this area and then continue breaking new highs and lows. Higher highs and higher lows. So that's what I'm looking at. So on the daily time frame here, obviously you can simply see, this was our previous high, and now you can see these candles these weeks that we are currently at. They're trying to break this price here where it's actually at. So once I see maybe today's candle, once it closes above these areas, then I know that it has confirmed for us that we're going to be buying this whole week, you understand? So let me just come down to the 4 hour. Okay, so with the 4 hour, same thing. See what happened here? Price pushed upwards, higher high here, higher low, went upwards, higher high. It broke above the previous higher highs here. Boom, it broke above, but it went down, created new higher lows, and our price is here. So we can be stuck with two things here. What can happen is the price can give us a double top, then it goes down. You have to keep that in mind. That can happen, but we are looking for the bigger movement, which is the buy. So even if, let's say, that double top, you just have to be aware if it does happen, so you're able to not risk money or not lose a lot of money and stuff, and also have that mindset of, if it gives me a double bottom, maybe I might buy again, you understand? So have that mindset of, if it does come down here, I'll wait for it and then go up with it. Such things, understand? But the most important thing is that I'm seeing price break to the upside. So let's go on the 15 minutes, the 1 hour. Okay, this one here is super, super, super beautiful. So take a look at the previous candlesticks now. Hammer, it broke to the upside, engulfing, then here on resistance, price came back to retest, then we took a buy here. So let me go on the 15 minutes to show you guys I was able to catch the sniper entry buy. Super amazed. I think I caught it on the 5 minute even. So as soon as price broke above here on the 1 hour, it came back to retest. So as soon as it came back to retest, I had this area be my first touch here. Higher low, because it's a higher low. This area here too, second touch, and then price came back. When price was somewhere around this areas here, I was like, you know what, with this candlestick, it has already confirmed with me that it's going to the upside. So you can look at how this candlestick is. You can see there's tweezers bottoms. The other thing is that you can see there's a hammer. It rejected obviously on support. I was like, buy, we bought, then we went a bit more to the upside. As soon as we got here, we took profits. We were out now. So we actually got a beautiful trade on this risk reward. I'll try to put the video here so you're able to see it.
Started with $1 in a dream. This one for all the people that said I couldn't do it. The best feeling in the world.
But you can simply see we caught this beautiful trade, boom, then we out. So the next trade came in, we're like, you know what? Yeah, we understand that we already took profits and stuff from the first day, initial trade and stuff. But see what happened here. Price went up, higher low, higher high, higher low, came back here. So what to say, when price was here, it started giving me a bit of options, because around here I wanted to buy, because I thought this was my resistance, so I can buy here. But I was like, you know what, let me be patient with it. That's when I went and took out my Fibonacci. So I even went as low as 1 minute, guys. I went as low as 1 minute. Let me show you guys. I took out my Fibonacci. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys, Fibonacci. And then obviously price was here. I was like, should I sell maybe till the end, then I'll be out? I was like, nah, let me not do a lot of things. Let me just focus on the bigger picture. So as soon as price came back, I had this area be my support because it's also at the 61.8. And then I was like, you know what, double bottom. So Fibonacci is also a tool that we use in the Forex Jesus 3.0. So if you want to know more about it, obviously you can just go down, get the 3.0 and then understand it a bit more better because it's explained much more deeper on the 3.0. But you can simply see as soon as it bounced back, I bought here and then it went a bit more to the upside. Here I was in smaller profits, it went down. Then like the members I shared in the team and everything, then you know price rejected here and then it started shooting upwards. Shot upwards. When it got here, I was like, you know what, maybe it can give us like, you know, head and shoulders. I'm not too sure, like left shoulder here, you know, left shoulder here. Maybe what if like right shoulder comes to the side here and the price goes down. But I was like, you know what, let me just believe in the bigger picture to the upside. 1 2 3. And also with the Fibonacci, as soon as it tested the 61 hour safe double bottom here, it went up. As soon as it got here, it done this, then it broke. As soon as it broke above here, guys, as soon as it broke above here, that's when, like, you know, I moved my stop loss to here and then price came here, started playing a bit more around here. 3/2 move came, and then as soon as the 3/2 move came, it shot to the upside up until we hit take profits. Boom, we out, and then we ate this one here. So the most important thing is how we're able to catch this trade here. You need to be able to play around with the different tools that you're using when it comes to naked, seeing the market in a naked way. Like, let's say now, understanding the candlesticks, understanding that price can definitely retrace here. Not even retrace here, definitely retrace, because we're looking at the Fibonacci. Retrace here, this support. What are you looking for? You're looking for this area. You're looking for this specific candlestick. If this does happen, you're going to be able to capitalize on it. And then the most important thing is making sure that your stop loss is super minimum. Take a look at this. This is nice. US30, but stop loss is like 26 points. That's like small compared to what most people would put for stop losses on US30. So even if I had my stop loss here, I'll still be able to capitalize massively. Just like this 3 years. See, getting the sniper entry, you can simply see on the 5 minute gave us that beautiful hammers that I did show you guys. But now left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Buy as soon as price is here. Then you add. So the most important thing here is understanding where you are capitalizing on entries. Understanding where you are capitalizing on entries. So with US30, yeah, it's a bit more messy and my mouth is a bit more dry, guys. So don't mind me with that. But what I'm seeing here is obviously price didn't break the higher lows. Still above, you know, it's higher highs, higher lows. So I'm seeing price breaking higher highs. So we can have maybe an area like this. Then price bounce back somewhere here. Shoots all the way to the upsides, because you can even see here, you can even see here left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So once price gets all the way to the upside, then obviously our take profits are first take profits will still be here. We reached our overall profits here, but once we are above, once we break above here, that's when, you know, US30 is just, this is gonna be now our new support. Then US30 is just gonna continue breaking highs and highs and highs and highs and so on, guys. That's what I'm seeing on US30 for now. Hopefully I'll make another video soon whereby you guys will be able to, you know, get to see a much more deeper understanding on me just breaking down US30 just like this here. But I like the fact that I dived in a bit more deep with how I got those entries, whereby maybe they'll be able to help you guys out a lot on your journey, being able to just get this thing called forex trading, get this thing called index trading, you understand? Luckily, and we made this journey a bit more simple for you just by having, you know, materials that you can easily just, you know, you can easily just go through and then understand a lot of things within just, like, you know, step-by-step form and stuff, which I'll just leave the link in the description. Forex Jesus 3.0, get that. Make sure that you're in the team so you are eating with us like this here, and make sure that you guys are registered under my broker, because if you are, you'll get the benefits of being able to trade 3/2 moves with us. That move that I showed you guys, this move here, this was called 3/2. This move here, this buy, boom, 3/2. So also, if you want to be in our live trading, obviously just make sure that you're trading with the same broker that we're trading. Be in our Telegram public group, just so you are able to understand what to do in order to, you know, become a part of a lot of things that we do. I'll leave the link in the description box also of the public group. See you on the next video. It's a Mothupi.